Welcome to the show. Shoutout mga kapatid. Shoutout mga kapatid. O diba, oras na po para gumora mga chika Firefly Friday edition sa ating Laila Chika Gora. Mga katropa kong Mosma o Marites of social media. Ay, grabe! Kasama po natin ngayong gabi ang kinikilala nga pong Asia's Phoenix Live na live. Best Actress po sa Manila International Film Festival 2025. Please welcome sa Shoutout, Morrissey.
Hey!
Shoutout!
Hi!
Kamusta ka na?
Okay naman po ako. Kayo po.
Eto, ganun pa rin. Ito pa rin.
Dito pa rin
Ito pa rin si
tayo.
Ate Laila mo.
Muntik na ako maiyak kasi nag-start ka ng mag-reminisce. Like, doon
diba?
nga ako nag-start. Sobra.
Diba? So, wala lang. I'm just so proud of you, Morissette, sa lahat ng mga
Thank you
nararating
po.
mo. Bata ka pa. Mahaba pa to.
Bata pa rin naman.
Malayo na, pero malayo pa at may ibubuga pa.
That's the goal
tayo,
po.
diba?
Yes.
Doon tayo.
Oh,
But
thank
anyways,
you,
eto, sige, magkwentuhan nga tayo. Ano ba tong, pelikula mo?
Opo. So, this is my very first film.
Wow!
Actually, lagi ko nga sinishare po sa mga tao na...
So, level unlock na naman to,
Side quest, di ba?
Oo.
Ang lagi ko nga po sinasabi sa mga tao is, this is my very first film, pero I have had acting experience with TV5 before when I was starting.
Yes.
But our film is called Song of the Fireflies, and I play Ma'am Alma Taldo, and she is teacher siya, and also the founder of the Lobok Children's Choir. So, siya po yung bumuo ng Lobok Children's Choir, siya po nag-hone, at ngayon po ang Lobok Children's Choir, they're a renowned named na po kasi they travel, compete in all the competitions, tapos pakagaling lang po talaga
Totoo
nila
yan.
po. Sobrang galing
Totoo
po.
yan. Na-witness ko yung kanilang pagkanta a few years back nung nagkaroon ng lighting ceremony sa Ayala Triangle Gardens.
Yun na.
Sobrang nakakakilabot silang kumanta.
Iba po talaga sila. Like, iba yung magic po ng mga bosses nila. And so, syempre kami po, we wanna be able to just share their story also sa, not just sa mga kababayan, but just everywhere else also. Kaya, I'm so happy na na-push through din po yung movie namin. Kasi long time coming na din po tong film na to. Dapat 2020 na film na po namin yung buong movie. Na pandemic po tayo. So,
ba?
opo, 2019 pa lang po, meron na kami actually trailer. Nag 1 week kami sa Bohol para lang mag-film for trailer, and nailabas naman po namin yun. And then syempre when 2020 hit, which was when yun talagang kailan kami film nung buong movie na pandemic po. So medyo maraming challenges po yung film din po namin, pero natuloy naman. And I'm so happy na yun, like, ang dami din pong recognition ng film namin, especially po sa recent MIFF.
Yes.
Di po. We're super grateful.
Minsan
Thank
talaga
you.
ganyan si Lord dinidelay niya ang ilang bagay kasi hinihimo ka niya na mag-trust sa kanya because when He takes something from you,
Something mas pasabog pa yun,
ano
Zay!
yung ibibigay niya sa'yo, Day?
Grabe
diba?
nga. Papakapit ka na lang talaga.
Oo, diba? Tapos sabi mo, thank you, Lord ka.
Oo,
diba?
talaga.
Okay,
Opo.
speaking of the achievement, sabi mo nga, ang daming recognition. Paki-enumerate nga
Wow.
po yung mga recognitions na
Yes,
yan.
the recognition.
Oo.
So, from the Manila International Film Festival po, that what happened nitong March, Song of the Fireflies won Best Picture. Myself po, I won the Audience Award for Best Actress. And si Ma'am Rachel Alejandro po also got an award for Best Supporting Actress. And yung isa din po nating artist, si Noel Comia Jr. also won Best Supporting Actor. And then there was also another film festival that happened in Houston. We also received the Remy Award din po doon.
Wow.
So, pasabog. Grabe si Lord kung mag-blessing todo-todo.
Oh, diba?
So, we're very grateful po.
In
Thank
spite
you.
and despite ng mga challenges na pinagdaanan ninyo. So, paano yun? Nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, hindi
Yes
pa
po.
kayo tapos mag-shoot nun?
No, hindi po namin nasimulan yung
So, trailer pa lang.
Trailer lang po talaga yung meron po kami.
So, pagkatapos,
Tapos,
kailan kayo nag-resume?
2022 na po.
So, medyo nag-ease down na
recently
yung
Yes
restrictions.
po. And actually nga po, nung medyo nag-ease down na, syempre that was one of the last projects that I had with me going into the pandemic. Yung parang, wala pa tayong balita sa ano. So, it was also a while until nakarinig kami from MQuest and Culture Tain also, yung productions who is bringing, Song of the Fireflies, or bringing it to you guys. Parang, ang tagal nung parang return nila, if itutuloy pa ba nila. So there was that whole time. Syempre sayang naman
anxiety, yung
sobra
suspense na parang nakabiting ka pero hindi ka bumibitaw. Ay, gusto ko nang bumitaw! Diba? Parang ganun
hold on po. And also, syempre, like to add, I'm also just very grateful na nung nag-decide sila mag-resume, ako pa rin po yung kinonsider po nila to play the role of Ma'am Alma. So I'm just very, very happy na, ayun, na-push po nung 2022 na.
Okay.
Yun na po yun.
Speaking of which, paano mo pinaghandaan yung role mo as Teacher Alma?
Opo. Honestly, we really didn't have the longest time to prepare kasi this was like, sige, we're gonna resume taping na. So, when we were in Bohol for 1 month po, we did have a couple of acting workshops and sessions po. And even din po sa speech po, kasi I'm Cebuana, so I'm Bisaya naman. Like, nakakaintindi naman po ako and to be able to converse in Bisaya. Pero iba yung intonation sa Bohol. Like, they have more J's. So, iba din. Like, maadyong gabi. It's like, we're in Cebu, it's a maayo. So, there were stuff like that we needed to kind of polish right before filming. Pero this was only really, it wasn't a long time of preparation. At least for the actors. But, naman po, ayun, naitawid naman po ata namin. Naitawid naman namin. And even for me, as a conductor din po, diba, I also had to undergo a couple sessions to try to copy yung magkumpas kasi iba din po yun. Syempre, as a performer, di naman talaga ako yung nagaganon-ganon. Pero, nagkaroon pa ako ng, I guess, greater appreciation for the craft sa mga nagka-choir, sa mga, yung conductor, hindi lang for choir, but even for orchestra. So, ang dami kong learning din po, bilang isang performer din po, going into the movie.
I'm not quite sure kasi kung buhay pa si Teacher Alma.
No, she's well and great po.
Yun naman. Kasi nga, ang next question ko is, nagkausap ba kayo? Nagka-bonding ba kayo? May pointers ba siya for you?
Opo. Actually, last ko pong nakita si Ma'am Alma, syempre, she's still in Bohol, she is well. Even din po yung pinoportray din po ni Ma'am Rachel, si Ma'am Eket, who's older than Ma'am Alma, they're both doing well. And they were also able to catch the special Bohol screening of our film.
Wow.
Nakatabi ko siya, so imagine piniportray ko siya, tapos katabi ko siya, tapos kinakabahan ako if tama ba yung ginagawa ko. Approve naman siya, approve siya. But she is well, she's very soft-spoken. I didn't really get yung experience niya or how she was before to try to copy her. It was more yung pag nakausap ko yung like anak niya or yung mga dating LCC kids na lumaki na po ngayon, kung paano si Ma'am Alma. And actually, contrary to how we portrayed her, she's actually more strict pa. Like, mas talaga siya, like, teacher talaga siya, like, hindi, ganito, like, mas talaga siya. Like, she wants it to be great. And that's probably also why sobrang galing ng mga bata talaga. Like, they're perfect. Ganda ng tunog po nila.
Parte kasi ng disiplina rin. Minsan yung pagiging
really
stricto
Yes,
diba? Hindi naman ko mo hinihigpitan ka.
Opo.
Terror ka lang. Kasi may gusto lang na certain output, hindi ba?
May intent po si Mama Alma kung bakit niya gusto maging magaling din yung kids. And nag-enjoy pa rin naman daw po sila.
Speaking of the kids,
Yes po.
yun bang mga kasama mo sa pelikula ay mga legit na...
Sila po talaga yun. Sila yung current Lobok Children's Choir po ngayon. And syempre wala silang mga acting experience talaga. Bukod sa pag-perform. That's their first time acting po. And what we always say, sobrang tuwang-tuwa kami sa kanila kasi sobrang natural po nila. In fairness, ang gagaling po.
So, nag-trailer shoot kayo before the pandemic.
Yes.
After noong finally you got to shoot 1 month lang?
1 month po kami sa Bohol and then a couple weeks here in Manila for the Manila scenes also. But that's it. Yun na po yun.
Teka, sandali. Hindi ba yung in Bohol an earthquake happened?
This was after. I think there was a typhoon that happened. And I think ang nakwento nga po ng like yung DOP po namin, si Direk po, kasi they were there seeing if right before we started filming, of course, that if okay pa ba yung
Oo, kasi di ba it was the same structure, it was the same church na
Yes.
kinakantahan ng mga
Yes.
bata. Kasi kaya ko lang naalala, biglang bumalik lang din sa alaala ko, kaya yung Lobo Children's Choir ang kumanta during the opening ng Ayala Triangle Gardens is
Yes.
because that was the year nung nangyari yung lindol at na-damage yung simbahan.
Yes,
So,
yung bakla yun.
isa ba yun sa mga naging challenges nyo? Paano?
I think that was also one of the reasons po kung bakit naudlot din po ng naudlot yung project. Kasi, kwento nga po nung DOP namin, it was actually very hard for them to be there kasi, syempre, nag-iba yung scenery compared to when we were there nung 2019. Syempre, everything was great and the river was green. Around this time, it wasn't as green kasi nga may mga puno na nahulog sa river and the dirt na bumaba nga po sa ilog. And so, but naman po, like we were still able to find some really good locations around the and at that time umayos na rin naman po ata yung church, yung Baclayon Church po. And so we were able to capture naman, I think, everything that we needed.
Pero speaking of capture, medyo may pa-throwback may pa-retro to Ang damit mo.
Yes.
Pinanganak ka na ba nun?
Wala pang Mori.
Di ba? 1980 to 1993.
Period
you
siya.
You were born what year?
90s na po ako, 96 po
Okay,
ako.
Tams, grabe. So, paano yun? Yung mga Japorms mo.
Oo, yun po talaga.
Hindi ka ba na-awkward,
Hindi na ako.
Ito talaga ba suot ng mga
yung very,
mga tao,
di naman pa ako na-awkward. Sobrang like everyone was also dressed that way, like sa cast and and we also have a great like production design team and costume team who really made us feel like we were back in time. So yun pa. So even yung buhok, yung, di ba, yung mga uso nun.
Nakita ko nga yung sa isang still shot na nagdadasal ka sa simbahan, di ba? Epic yung Japorms mo doon,
Yun na.
Di ba? Paki-roll nga ulit. Nakita ko lang kanina. But anyways,
As a sweet
ikaw ba kailan ka
girl.
huling bumalik sa Bohol?
Sa Bohol, I think the last time I was there was right before po nag-Manila International Film Festival nung March. A week prior, dun po nangyari yung Bohol screening with Ma'am Alma, Ma'am Iket, and even the kids. So they were actually able to preview the film before we brought it to Hollywood po.
Wow.
So,
Sila muna, syempre.
Of course.
Bago Hollywood.
Yes po.
So after Hollywood, what's
Yes.
next for the film? Kasi alam mo, ako gusto ko rin panoorin yan. Paano ba?
Opo, ito na!
Dapat tayo naman ang magkatabi, di ba?
Ito
At
na!
mas may pressure rin kita. Kung talagang maganda ba talaga acting ito?
No,
Ganon?
don't do. Ayoko tumabi sa inyo. Dito ako sa gilid.
Joke lang naman.
Kasi
di ba?
natakot. Pressure ako, kinakabahan ako.
Ako lang to.
No, ikaw to.
Ano ka ba? Hindi
Ikaw to, Ti.
Ano ka ba? Napag-iwanan na, Morissette!
Grabe naman.
Morissette! Nandiyan ka ba? Ito si ate!
Oh
Ganun
my God.
Ayun
Ganun
ka
pa
na
din.
O,
Te,
diba?
hindi naman ako tumangkad.
Pareho
Kung
naman
ano
tayo.
ako nung 14, ganun pa rin tayo. Hay nako, yun na talaga.
Oh, anyways.
Yes.
Paano ba yung pelikula?
So, we're so happy to finally announce na we're finally premiering our film sa Philippine cinemas po sa June 25 po. And so, syempre ngayon, we're very, very excited and we're inviting everybody to spread the word about our film para sama-sama tayong manood po sa June 25 yung film po namin, Song of the Fireflies po.
Yeah. I'm very excited na panoorin.
Thank you.
And if it's from MQuest,
Yes, of
siguradong
course.
quality yan.
Oh, yes.
Diba? Nakakailan na rin naman
Diba?
dekalidad na mga pelikula ang ginagawa ng MQuest.
Yes.
So why not this time around, kahit hindi Disyembre, suportahan natin ang Song of the Fireflies,
Yes,
diba? Pero mas maganda kasi hindi naman ako kabilang sa pelikula, taga-chururot lang ako ngayon. Ikaw kaya mag-invite.
Ako ba?
Yes.
Oh, sige po. Ayun po mga kapatid, I am Morissette and I just want to invite all of you po na panoorin po yung film namin po sa June 25 na po ang labas nito sa Philippine cinemas. This is called Song of the Fireflies po and I am portraying the role of Ma'am Alma Taldo, the founder of the Lobok Children's Choir, and this is their story. Of course, I am also joined by Miss Rachel Alejandro, Noel Comia Jr., Crystal Brimner, and many, many more po, directed by Direk King Polisok. And syempre, as Ate Laila said, basta MQuest Ventures, 'di ba? And Culture Kane Musicat Productions, assured kayo na it's gonna be a great movie. We take pride in that. And so, sana po ay invite nyo po yung family nyo, invite your kids, baka may gusto dyan na, or like, mga awit, early mga awit na gusto ko rin mag-choir, baka ma-inspire pa sila po lalo dito. We're very excited to share our film with you po. June 25 po, Song of the Fireflies.
Yes, very inspiring movie. Hindi ba? Yung mga Bisaya na nakikinig at nanonood.
Yes!
Naman.
Uy, maayong gabi! Maayong gabi ninyo! May tagtanaw ninyo or abangan ninyo po ang among film na Song of the Fireflies, June 25. Kita-kits ta.
Kasi hindi lang naman sa Metro Manila, nationwide.
Nationwide yun, dapat.
Do we know how many cinemas na ang nag-commit?
As of now po, I have no I'm sure they're working on it para mapalabas po talaga sa lahat hopefully lahat ng cinemas po.
At saka, anong rating nito sa MTRCB?
I actually don't know po. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. So,
pero
for sure, ibabalita naman po
yun.
yun.
To ng mga kids.
For sure, G naman to. Yeah, wala naman kaming anything crazy.
Oo, diba? Kaya, sana mas marami pang mga kids ang maingganyo na sumali sa choir, di ba?
Yes,
yung mga ganyang klaseng hobby, pastime. At least practice nyo pa yung mga vocal powers ninyo. Kasi ma-practicing ko yung vocal powers
Ito na ba yun? Ito na ba yun? Pang-push na.
Di ba?
Thank
ano bang
you.
gusto mong ano bang gusto mong i-practice nating vocal powers mo? Kasi alam mo, meron kaming jingle dito, yung True FM jingle.
Uy.
Oo, pero kung pwede bang live kung ipagawa to sa'yo?
Oh my gosh.
Diba?
Ano pa daw?
Sasabihin mo lang, hi, ako po si Morissette, you're listening to, o kaya kung ano man, whatever you feel like, if you want to say it in Bisaya, kayo po yung nakikinig sa, yan, and then, yan lang, 105.9 True FM.
True FM.
Tapos yung dito tayo sa parang bumababa si Morissette. Parang paliit ka naman.
Pakagalaw ko kasi. Para ako, sorry na. Gusto ko ikaw talaga yung
Sandali, hindi. Kasi alam mo, hindi. Okay lang naman kasi kung lumiliit ka, pababagayan naman kita. Tayo, huwag ka I got you.
Sorry,
I got you, don't worry.
You know what?
Maliliitan ko rin naman. Okay.
Hindi ko naman naramdaman.
Parang lumiliit.
Woo! Shout out, guys! Oh my gosh!
Yung Maury version ng dito tayo sa totoo.
Ganun ba yun? Pwede
kasi,
pa bang ng script?
naman, sa'yo yan.
Akin ba to?
Sandali, ha?
Ay, sige po, te.
Basta yung 105.9 and then 105.9 True FM. Yung dito tayo sa totoo, forgive Ate Laila because I'm not a biritera like you.
Ano ba?
Pero ang tono niyan is, dito tayo sa totoo.
Yan.
So, kung gusto mo ikulot yung dulo. Yan.
Okay, sige. Sana matandaan ko yung tono. Sige po.
Dito tayo sa totoo.
Yun yung dulo.
So,
okay.
gusto mo, dito tayo sa totoo.
May blending. Voicing yarn.
Sige. Quiet on the set, Quiet kayo, Walang maingay. Ako, promise. Hindi ako papalakpak mamaya na after.
Sige, para sure na ma-record.
Oo, di ba? Tapos mag-play tayo ng isa sa mga songs mo.
Yes.
Gusto ko ikaw ang magdi-DJ.
Ay, sige! Gusto ko! Ako pa tayo na-excite.
Sige. Pero,
gawin ko muna to.
Seatwork.
Sige.
Bibigyan, ako ang teacher mo ngayon.
Yes po.
Ayan.
Bumihave.
At yan ang seatwork mo.
Okay po.
Sige. Kailangan bang bibigyan ba kita ng konting sandali para makapag-contemplate o...
Okay na po siguro yun.
Carry ka na.
Opo.
Ganyan, tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-professional siya, no? O sige.
Kailangan
Lights,
Okay.
camera. Quiet on the set. Action.
Hello! Ako po si Morissette and you're listening to 105.9 True FM. Dito tayo sa totoo. Yeah! Wow!
Wala eh. Parang walang ka-effort. Grabe naman.
Dito sa pasilip.
Samantalang ako nung kinanta ko yung dito tayo sa totoo. Grabe, inipit ko na yung diaphragm ko noon.
Ganda nga eh. Hindi kailangan ng Morissette.
Ay, hindi. Sige, gusto
Laila
mo.
Chikadora lang.
Hindi, may blending. Gusto mo may blending?
Nandito na tayo. Gawin na natin.
Walang palakpak to. Walang palakpak. Sige, walang papalakpak ha. Sige,
Okay.
ready? Ikaw pa rin.
Ako, from the top ba?
Be-blendingan lang kita.
Oo, sige. Ikaw ba blending? O, sige po.
Be-blendingan kita kasi mas magaling ako.
Yun
Chares!
na.
Pang second voice lang kasi talaga yung boses ko.
Hindi ka ngayon dapat fronting.
Dali, sige, kaya mo yan.
Sige,
Go.
isa pa with feelings. Okay po. 1, 2, 3. Hello, this is Morissette and you're listening to 105.9 True FM. Dito tayo sa totoo.